What's up, Savvy Expats? We are in Arkansas, the supposed next BGC. There's a lot of hype around this newly opened township, and it's a 2-bedroom unit that we're going to be exploring today. A lot of space and a beautiful layout. But before we show you guys that, allow me to introduce...
Hi guys, I'm Jasmine, a real estate agent from Ayala Land Premier.
And so, without further ado, we're going to explore this unit. Let's go. All right, so here we are in one of the 5 buildings here in Arkansas. Jasmine, how many units are on each floor?
Around 6 to 10.
Around 6 to 10. So this does give you a level of exclusivity and privacy, as there's not too many units on each floor, and it won't be too loud either. And also, is it right that this is a mid-rise building?
Yes, it is.
Why is that?
It's near the airport, that's why.
So it's near the airport, that's why we can build up to a high-rise here in Arkansas, and it also feels more like a suburban type of condo unit. But with that being said, let's head into the unit and see what we have. And so walking in from the hallway into your unit, we'll immediately find a very spacious, open, modern, and minimalistic space. Jasmine, really quick, how many floors are there in each building?
17.
There's 17 floors in each building. Like we said, this is a mid-rise building. Something that we can also find about this is that this is an Ayala Land Premier development, which means it's the most prestigious developer in the Philippines. More details about this unit: there's 5 buildings in Arbor Lanes. We are in the second project called Pine Building. And can you just quickly explain the details about this unit?
Okay, so over here we have 2 bedrooms, and then we have a maid's quarter, and also 2 baths.
2 baths, and as well behind us you can see a balcony.
Balcony.
So there are 5 buildings here in Arbor Lanes. We are on the second project, like I said, called Pines Building. So Jasmine, when was the turnover date of this building?
It's 2019.
In 2019, and then the first building that was built?
It's around 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
And so there's 3 more buildings left that need to be turned over. These buildings are still pre-selling, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so these are still pre-selling. If you want to see more details, we'll put the links down below to everything here in Arbor Lanes. But as for now, something that we have to mention is that this unit also comes semi-furnished. So if you were to buy a unit at Arbor Lanes, you're not going to have everything that you see here, as this is just a model unit. So what comes with a semi-furnished unit?
So it comes with a range hood and cooktop. And also the air cons are included, so there are 4 air cons. So there's 1 parking slot included.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And so that's everything that comes with a semi-furnished unit. Now let's take a look at the first bedroom. So that was a look at your first bedroom out of the 2 bedrooms you have in this unit. Absolutely a nice bedroom for the kids. Now, walking back into the living room, down this area from the first bedroom, we're gonna walk to the master bedroom. But really quick, Jasmine, a few questions you haven't asked yet. How many square meters is a 2-bedroom unit here at Arkansas?
Approx 130 square meter.
130 square meters. And also, Jasmine, how much is it for a 2-bedroom unit here at Arkansas?
35 to 38 million.
38 million. So that would be roughly around 270,000 to 300,000 per square meter. So overall, the price is decent, it's still exclusive, and it's spacious for what you're getting. So now let's walk into your master bedroom. So walking into your master bedroom, we are immediately greeted with a very modern, minimalistic, and I love the lighting of this space. It's almost like an ambient lighting. So Jasmine, can you also explain what's in the master bedroom?
So yeah, it can fit a double queen size bed, and also there's aircon included, and also walk-in closet and his and her bathroom.
So all in all, we have a spacious master bedroom, like Jasmine said, enough to fit a queen-size bed. I also want to turn your attention over to this window over here. Obviously right now it's not daytime, but when it is daytime, this window is large enough to let in a good amount of natural lighting so that you have a very open and light space. Something I also want to mention is that even the flooring is high quality. This is engineered wood. This is the kind of wood that you have where it won't wear down over time, but it'll keep its shape and its quality.
As you can see, this is just a dressed-up unit, so not everything that you see here will be included. So the walls, it will be white when it's turned over, and also the bed, it's not included also.
Yes, so most of the things that you're seeing here will not be included. As we said, this is just going to come semi-furnished when you buy your unit at Arca South, but the model unit is just an idea of how you can potentially furnish your future home. Now let's head into the master bathroom.
So over here we have the bathroom. So everything that you see inside is included except for the rug, the basket, and the towels, and also the designs.
Yes, that's right. And the things that are included are all the high quality materials that you see here. For one, we have the top of the line Duravit German sink. This is marble, very high quality. We also have the tempered glass for the shower here as well. The flooring, of course, comes with the unit, and then also the marble walls that are especially nice. And a few last points about the bathroom. We also have a Duravit porcelain toilet. And as for the shower, you have a rain head shower along with a hose. So two different ways to shower.
And also the heater is included.
And also a heater is included. Very nice. Now, walking from your master bedroom into the kitchen, we find a series of high quality materials. For one, we have these porcelain countertops. Of course, the sink is included here. Other than that, we have the range hood. This is also included, stainless steel, and an induction cooktop. Now, a nice highlight and finish that I like about this unit as well is the soft close cabinets.
So what's not included? The oven is not included, and also the refrigerator is not included. So it depends on the client on what brand they would like to get.
Yes, and then other than that, we go through this doorway here, and this is where we're gonna find the maid's room. So if you're looking for any house help, you can easily house them in the maid's room. Technically, this is a 3-bedroom unit, including the maid's room, and also a 3-bathroom unit, including the maid's bathroom. So here, this is where you have a simple maid's bathroom. Comes with a shower head, sink, toilet, and then this is also where you would house your washing machine and dryer.